Today I'm going to be showing you how I use DTF or direct-to-film branding transfers on my t-shirts. I'll also be using the Dododum mini heat press machine. The direct-to-film transfers were printed by a speedy fast, high-quality Texas-based printer on Etsy. Links to vendors, products, machines are all in the description. The DTF film is crisp, clear, and easy to use. I printed a whole bunch of my logo and website in a 2" by 1" square, then cut them out and stored them in a plastic container for easy access. Heat pressed them on with the hand Dododum mini heat press machine on max setting for 10 to 15 seconds. After they're cool, peel, and you've got a customizable branded shirt.
You know who made it.
I hope you can find this helpful for your t-shirt business. If you want more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and stay creative.